Now I'm going to show you how to do the wax or sealant treatment depending on what the service requires for this time. This is the insulator wax, and we use the yellow applicator pad. Other services may require a sealant, which lasts longer and is better for protection. For the sealant service, you would actually grab the sealant instead. You apply the same way as you apply the wax, but some services require sealant instead of the wax. And we use a blue applicator pad with a sealant. We're going to show you how to apply. They are applied the same way, both, but they are for different services, and the sealant lasts longer, better for protection. Now that's pretty much how we apply wax or sealant on the entire car. So I first apply on one half of the car and then buff it off, and then apply on the other half and then buff it off. I don't want the wax or sealant to be drying since it's sunny outside.